the monitoring and recording captured in a camera, 24 hours non-stop monitoring and the volcano, and even in the Mexico City. And here you can see, guys, near to the volcano crater, I'm going to point you with the cursor soon, and you can see that in the just a UFO that's line up on near to the crater, because that's the eruption is going to occur. And you can see that a metallic disc-shaped UFO just near to the crater. They're waiting for the big action. That was in the next picture, next shot. You can see that's not a volcanic rock. That you can see that around the crater, the energy and everything. That the next one, here they line up. They just changed the picture. That next to him, next to the right section, to the big cylinder or big cylindrical UFO, it's lined up too. That's not a volcanic rock, because then the rock hasn't got that reflection or something, you know, very, very, very bright contour too. And now it's going to be in the green, and another one is the reddish color. And you can see clearly the UFOs just line up near to the volcano. And that's the next picture, sorry. The camera, which one, they change in every minute, the pictures, and they just, that's the next picture. You can see the two UFO is just lined up near to the crater. Have a look in the next picture, what in the web camera, live web camera picking up. That's all real video, and from the web camera, which is placed near to the volcano. That's Popocatepetl volcano, Mexico. You can see clearly the two UFOs, which is very bright and near to the volcano. Now you can see with the cursor. That's a big disc, and this one the cylindrical. And just in the landed or just stationary above the near to the volcano crater. And looking in the right side, the three little triangular position, that small, I'll show you very soon. Sorry that the picture is moved that way. The cursor move out. See this one, that's in the disc-shaped UFO. And next to him, that's a cylindrical. And now the little one is gone. That looks like triangular shape UFOs, but not that triangular shape, that the three, or maybe a volcanic rock, who knows. But this one, that's two, that's a very large UFOs. And just waiting for the big volcanic eruption. Or just the probes, who knows. That's why we call him UFO, because nobody knows. When a government cover up it, they open those secrets, we call him different name. But this one, it's an unidentified flying object. That's, I film them every day, that volcanic mountain, and this one it's never happened here, never stay like that. And very soon you can see, when I film them, that a black cylindrical UFO just appearing and how they disappearing. Maybe they went inside the crater or something. That's a big disc-shaped UFO. Yeah, what you see with the cursor. You can see that two UFO near to the crater. And they are getting a little bit darker, and that's why it's blurry a little bit. Have a look in the next picture. And next picture, you can see that a big black UFO just appeared, a cylindrical UFO just appeared next to the, or above the volcano crater. And this one, I get a strong feel they're going to landing inside the crater, or who knows. And the next picture, sorry, that's how they changed the picture. That it wasn't me. That's in the web camera. How they changed the picture. And now that big, see the cursor where the cursor was. It was the UFO was there, and now it's just disappearing. Just disappeared like that. That's where the UFO was, and now they possible in the moved inside the crater. That hair was in there before the picture and just gone, just vanished. And because that's it was on me, I didn't move the camera, just in front of the screen, just on the hair, the web camera, it's changing the pictures. And you can see where the cursor is, the UFO stay there. That's the next picture, that's why the web camera is moved in the next picture. The two UFOs still line up there. And now you can see just only the small eruptions that occurred. And just the sun goes down. That's a Popocatepetl volcano. And you can see over there, and where the cursor is, just a UFO appeared and line up. That's getting dark. That's impossible, and you can see the volcanic rock or something like that, that bright. That's in the UFO just line up, just appeared over there to the left side of the mountain. The UFO is still there. One gone, another one is still there. And this one, you can see getting larger and brighter. And now you can see how they line up, the all UFOs near to the volcano. That's like they taken that triangular position, but the bottom one, that left side, you can see getting larger, bigger, and you can see the color is different. Now where is the cursor is, you can see that all UFOs it's line up. That's now it's 4 or 5 UFOs around the right in the bottom of the mountain, like this one here, and the next one right above him. That's all UFOs. And now you guys has gotten the, now you will be shocked, because just when I zoom on and like that I didn't touch in the camera, and now they just a large cylindrical UFO just appeared. This UFO is just appeared in that very close range to the camera, and then the camera is just pick up of that image. I didn't, how you can see, I didn't move the camera from the screen. That what you see here, that's all original, and you can see now I was shocked, and I have no time to, I don't want to lose them, and I didn't zoom out this one. But the camera, my camera, it was an automata focus. And this one, that's how you can see roughly 2 or 3 minutes time it was there, and now it's gone. That the camera how they changed again, and you can, oh now it's still there. You can see, that's the next picture, and you can see the date and the time there, and the next in the picture, you can see that the Tlamakas and the camera did, and you can see that the very large cylindrical, or I don't know how can I call this UFO there. And just when it was in a big eruption, and you can see very soon how they just vanished. That the next picture just vanished. I think, and I got a strong feeling, this and the large cylindrical UFO, it just went inside the crater. That's a remarkable footage, and I was very happy and very lucky to just, I monitor at that time, and I can capture it on a camera. This one is especially dedicated to the realidad ovni centro di investigación by monitorio, and special to the Zeus and Francesco Hernandez. And you can see there where the big UFO there. Just I point them there, I shout to my wife, and you can hearing very soon that when I talked to my wife, and I was very excited. And how they just vanished, just disappeared. The next picture show up, it's nothing there. I didn't move the camera, nothing, and that's what you can see. It's still there. Look at this one. You can see the date and time, everything there. Look at him. Look at how big. Látod mekkora? Gyöngyi, nem tudom akkor filmezni, szívem, hát I can't filming. I have to monitoring this one. That's why I'm here, to monitor it. Because the next picture is gone. That's the next one, it's just gone. That quick. Várjál, nem tudok úgy, hát ott van minden. Jó, okay. That next picture just gone. I can't tell to the guys, you know, that what happened, but I'm so excited because that never came that close to that volcano. The volcano has got eruption, and here you guys can see over here. You remember when what I tell you, and that they line up this one, this one, this one, this one, and just waiting for the big action. And now I filmed them when that very large UFO just appeared in the near to the camera. They changed the picture again. And everybody, all of them, just line up like that. And now I'm going to check it out another camera. It's all lined up here. You can see this one, that's not a star, that's all UFOs. Just line up here near to the volcano, because here you can see, guys, it's a big volcanic eruption occurred. Go back again. That's a very, very big in the sightings here, because you can see, guys, here they line up, all of us, near to the volcano, because then the Popocatepetl volcano has gotten a big eruption. And now you can see, guys, they line up all here around the volcano. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's all UFOs, Yonji. That's all of them, it's a UFOs.
There's no eruption.
That's it. That's a volcanic eruption occurred. You can see the big smoke and everything. Yes. This one volcanic eruption. It is. You can see, guys, they changed all the position. All of them just changed the position. They changed the picture again.